From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on this Tuesday, March 2nd. The markets are quiet here. You know, we've had a big rally. Our desk in particular put out an equity report this morning that said that we had a sell zone at the 1118 to 1123 level, and the high in Globex was 1122.75. You know, right now we've got a $5 range in the S&P, and the volume is miserable. We've got about 10,000 big contracts traded, and about 3,000 of that is coming from the index roll. And in the S&P options here, we've got about 21,000 contracts traded, but that's really not the thing that's going on here. The markets are completely quiet. I think the way it looks like investors are confused as what to do at these levels right now. And with the market up almost, we had a 1041 low, and we've got a 22 high here today. We've got an 80 handle rally in the S&P, and it really feels like it's getting tired. Furthermore, we have the unemployment figure coming out on Friday, and we think that people are going to definitely adjust their positions going into that. As far as the rest of the day is concerned, we've had a little down move here, and then we've had a move back up, but we're coming back down again, and we don't really think that the day is going to really show us a lot of the price action that people would like to see as we go out to the end of the day. You know, right now in the S&P options, these guys are trading pretty good, but over in the S&P pit, it's not trading so well. The volumes there are really shrinking, and we don't really know what that's got to do it. You know, earlier about 2 weeks ago, Dennis Garthman did an article that said that he was really concerned about the stock market in general going into an even larger slowdown and with even tighter ranges. We hope that that's not the case. If that is the case, you got to look at what it's doing today and then think about what it'll be doing in June, July, and August as we move forward. As far as the rest of the day is concerned, we have a lot more sell stops a little bit below the market. You know what? Hold on. Sorry about that. It was just too loud over there, and I'm not smart enough. I was starting to stutter. I was losing my concentration. You know, the thing is that the markets have had a big run. And at the end of the day, the markets feel a little overbought. And with that in mind, we think that it's prudent to be cautious at these levels. I guess that's the best way to say it. We're coming into the unemployment figure at the end of the week, and so far most people think it's not going to be a good number. So with the market up so much, we want to be careful, and that's exactly what we want to try to express here today. As far as the rest of the day is concerned, the range is so tight, it's pretty likely that we could go down and make a new low and then pop back up, but whatever, it's just not trading that much today, and we'll be back tomorrow with a better update.